Today I want to show you two of my favorite tools, the blender pen and the Aqua Painter. Both of these are used in watercoloring, or in other words, they make you feel like a professional artist. So before you start watercoloring, remember, always use a StāzOn pad. It's permanent ink and it won't bleed when you use watercolors, and our watercolor paper, just so it doesn't tear or curl when you're painting. So the blender pen is filled with a specialized solution that helps you to blend. The Aqua Painter comes with an empty base that you fill with liquid and use that way. Let me just show you the difference between the two. One has a lot more control, that's the blender pen. And I like to use Stampin' Up! Ink pads when I'm about to watercolor. As you can see, this one's open. All I did was squeeze it and open it up, and I have this lovely little puddle of color to use. So the blender pen, just grab a little ink. You can see a little goes a long way. You can use as much as you like. And use it just like you would a marker. When that's done, grab the other color. And you can see that they blend really well with each other and looks really beautiful. So you can do that in all kinds of stamped images. The Aqua Painter is the substitute for your paintbrush and paint. Squeeze it up here. Usually I like to have a Kleenex in my hand or a paper towel or my jeans. And then just grab your ink. You can already see it's a lot less control, and you can create kind of a wash like that. Let me show you what it looks like in the other color too. Now you could use this on your whole card front and then just stamp your image right on top of it. You could use it to fill it with bleach and use it to bleach a little bit of cardstock or an image. One of my favorite ways is to fill it with alcohol and then a little re-inker and use it really just to splatter right on top of your project. See how fun that is? You want it to look a little bit vintage. I hope that you'll try these out and see what you can create and share it with your friends, and we can all be professional artists.